Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure our EV.com for caption generation and SRT syncing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the rev.com website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the transcription tab on the dashboard. Click on the transcription tab to access transcription services. Select the Upload Files option to begin the uploading process. Choose the video file you want to generate captions for. Make sure to select the appropriate audio quality for the best results. After selecting your file, click Upload. Once the upload is complete, Rev will process your file for transcription. You'll receive an email notification when the transcription is ready. When the email arrives, log back into your Rev account. Navigate to the Completed Transcriptions section. Locate your transcription and click on it to view the details. Review the transcript for any necessary edits or adjustments. If everything looks good, download the transcript in SRT format. To sync the SRT file with your video, ensure your video editor is ready. Import both the video file and the SRT file into your video editing software. Align the SRT file with the video timeline according to your preferences. Make customization adjustments to the captions if needed. Preview the video to ensure the captions sync properly. Once satisfied, export the final video with embedded captions. Consider uploading the video to your desired platform. Finally, confirm that captions are displaying correctly on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.